Okay, so today this is the housewife's favourite. This is the how to remove the rocker button and the valve to replace it. First of all, this is the new style one with the round button and the crescent moon at the back. You have to press down and make sure that you please put down the toilet seat first, because everything will get flushed away if anything drops down there whilst the toilet is being flushed. So you press down the round button with a small screwdriver. There is a little hole at the back that you can just manage to slot it into, and you gently just ping up like that the crescent moon button, and out she comes. Having done that one, the other one comes off very simple. Now you can see in the centre of said button is and armed with your little screwdriver, you undo it anti-clockwise. And then come the collar, and off will come the cistern lid. Quite often the cistern lid is just pulled off without removing said button, as I've just demonstrated, causing a lot of damage and heartache to the valve, and usually entails in the top of this valve being pulled off completely, and the little inserts that those pegs screw into usually get flushed down into the pan, and it's a costly repair. So we will now just show the valve being hold on main body, little twist anti-clockwise, and off she comes off the cradle. Now then, here's another cradle. I just want to show people when they come to put this back. That's what's fitted in the bottom. If you look very closely, you will see there's 4 little cutouts, as I call them, and on the bottom of this float is 4 little wings, north, south, east and west. So when this comes to be put back into the cistern, the 4 little wings drop into the 4 little cutouts first, before the valve is just gently then dropped onto its 4 locating pegs and twist locked into position. Click. So that's it really. So to build it back up, we will now go through the motions of doing the reverse. So we're dropping the valve onto its 4 little cutouts we've just talked about, the float, then onto the 4 little lugs, clicking this time into position. On goes the cistern lid, pegs in the centre. The button will only fit one way. It has a slot up the side of it, and there's a, if you can look closely, there's the peg in the plastic peg, like so. And I can get it in right. There. Drops in the right position. It will only fit in one place. In goes the little black screw. And we gently nip that down with our plastic screwdriver. We do not want to over tighten this, as it serves no purpose apart from just holding the collar in situ. That's it. Just nicely. There. Then it's a reversal of the button. First of all, the round button just fits on, just drops into place like so, and then on with the other one. What you need to do also first is just to get these pegs at the right height. These pegs will actually screw out or screw in like so, way too high obviously. You need to screw them down with this. This kind of sets them just right, flush with the top of the thing there. So on goes that button, like that, and in with the other one gently, push it down, job's done. Finished.